Hello there guys, again. I discovered that last I did record a video um, just a moment ago, but then I discovered that the music is too high. So I lower it now, and as you see, we are already in the town, but it wasn't much that was left in that area, in the first area. And as you see, oh, Skype is calling, oh yeah. Close that stuff out, so there we go. Anyway, okay, so yes, we are here in town now and in Kirkwall. And now I have already talked to my uncle and all that stuff, and Carver has died too. And now I need to choose between the mercenary or the, I don't know what, Antenreal, I think he's a smuggler. My first playthrough I go with this guy over here, and so I think I will actually take the smuggler this time. I did that with my warrior too, but because I didn't go that far with him, I didn't come so far with him, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, wait a second, I'm just gonna teamer here so I know when I need to quit, so you don't get like a 20 minutes long video that I can't even put up. Okay, let's say 10 minutes. There we go. Okay, Athendril. What do you have to say with me? Okay. Nephew, yeah. Alright. Okay. Was quite long ago, as I would say in the last video I made, but the music still was too loud, so yeah, wasn't that good, but still. It was a while when I commentated. I did use the train commentating. I commentated some Minecraft and some other games too. I think I did some Assassin's Creed too, but I don't know. We'll have to see how that. What's happened to that? I can't talk. Anyway, let's continue on here, guys. My fellow Frostlings, as I'm going to start call you, because I don't like to call you guys those who actually gonna subscribe to me. You know, I know I'm aware that I don't got so many right now, but you have to give it a chance. You know, I want to entertain people, and you know, it's training. You have to train to become a good commentator, and due to my training that I did, I probably got some experience, but yeah, you know, it's I like this. You know, you start talking and stop directly. You know, you have to train to talk bullshit all the time, or about funny stuff. Anyway, need to pay me what? You like these, Aveline? Let's go with. I'm gonna go with that one. Oh God. See, I did point out this stuff with on the lip last video. Still too loud music on that one, but still. Let's. So I have to say it again, but you know, just so you guys know. Oh yeah. 2 gold. That ain't a lot. Okay, yeah, it is a lot actually. In this game it is. Okay, let's see. More challenging. Yeah, we like challenging Frosties. We do. Okay. Let's see how much time it is. Okay, perfect. 7 minutes left. Let's talk to Gamblin. As I said before, this is my uncle. I think it is. He had spent all the money on God knows what. Anyway, yeah, my friend at school told me I said anyway too much, and I do I need to stop that. God. Anyway. See? Can't stop talking. Can't. God. Yeah, and Weasley. That little pussy. Can't even take a scar on his back. Anyway. Yeah, now we are going. Yeah, now like I think 7 years passed. Those began at champion first. The world arrived from this cross sea. Hero of the throne has defeated the blight. But Loring was destroyed. Kirkling was the champion's home now. So he remained, paying off his debt dues. Made name for himself in the underworld. It was a busy year in the city. That was when the Canaria landed. A great storm touched the ships and left hundreds of warriors stranded in the city, waiting to return home. That is also when the trouble began with the mages. Blood mages? The Templar had become very powerful under Knight Commanders Meredith. But most importantly, that was when I first met the champion. And a new login screen. Yeah, it was a different one in the beginning, but doesn't matter. Very neat though. I like it. They have never loaded this long before. It may be because I'm recording, yeah. Fraps do take a lot of performance of the computer. Oh, little rat. Ain't she a bitch? Yes, she is. Oh, a drop. Tits, human. Hey. Yeah, and I can tell a little background story. We are going to do a job, but we're going for this we're going this guy down to the deep roads, and we need money for it. About 50 gold, I think it is, and you have to collect it by doing quests. And yeah, by doing just quest and sell stuff, of course, but it will take a while, you know. Anyway, let's see. 3 minutes left. Yeah, I'm actually telling you guys how much left I can record, but yeah, just relax, boy. Girl, I mean, man, trying to like this. Anyway, oh, there's Sandal. Yeah, he was in the first game too. Origins. He's enchanted. Enchantment. He always says that. Anyway, is there? Yeah. No, he isn't. Maker savings. I thought you were a mage. Didn't they believe Maker? Maybe they do, but isn't that Templar stuff? Okay, maybe it's Chanter. Okay, I suppose I. Anyway. Are you a legal bugger? Wait, I'm a rogue. I thought I knew better than that. Ooh. A bit of lag. He's awesome, this dwarf. This will probably be my main team actually. This dwarf, Evelyn, and mage, sister, in other words, and myself, of course. Thank you. That's a small purse. For money purse or whatever it is. I don't know what it's named, but doesn't matter now. But how would you? I would. Yeah, that's brother. Huh. I'm still new to this game, though I have already played through once. Let's go through this quickly. I want to hold the whole video about this. This was already so. Yeah, it's not much that I can record now. Oh, another champion. Yay. Okay, let's level up. Where did leveling go? Anyway. Attributes. Cunning. And dexterity. All that you need. It can take more. Yeah, that's great. Magic and willpower. Go with that. Oh, there's heal. I need heal. You really need heal. And dexterity. Let's take... Let's see. Let's take this one. Bursting arrow. Perfect. Yeah, it's not much of the recording now that I can record. So when we come back, I will probably do. I think I might do this quest. Hawk. Yeah, I'll say Hawk. I never said my first name. Anyway, nosy, aren't ya? Of course. Now I'm getting quiet again. I can't be quiet, then it's not a live commentary. Yeah, oh. I need to tell you that, guys. This is actually a live commentary that I do. I don't record afterwards. My sound. I don't think that's... I don't like that. I don't like when, like, those who play Call of Duty, Black Ops and all this. I record it afterwards, and they talk about it. They choose a subject, they start talking about it, and then... Oh, and here I start to... I kill this person. Yeah, fun. No. I don't like that. Anyway, when we will be back, I will go into this big bird. Or big house. Oh, it's a bird. Anyway, guys, I will be right back.